Assalamu alaikum to all of you guys. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Hope you all are doing well. First of all, I am thankful to Almighty Allah, the Creator who created the universe in 7 days and 7 nights. Then I am very thankful to my respected teachers who have given me this precious opportunity to come at this place and share with you all about my likeness and dislikeness, my hobbies, my future plans, my education, and much more about me. By the way, our introduction as a Muslim is just that we are Muslim and we believe in one Allah, Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, Holy Quran, Aqidah Tawheed, Aqidah Akhirat, and Aqidah Rasulullah. And the most important thing is to always keep in our minds, which is that this is a brief introduction of a Muslim, but Allah has sent us as Ashraful Makhluqat, and as a human beings, there are many other things, words or actions that make us even more special and precious. So let's get started. Hi guys, my name is Unzila Sultana. Unzila means revealed and Sultana means a queen. If we will merge both meanings, so it will be a queen that thrown to the floor. Means अर्श से फर्श पर उतारी गई एक मलका. I am 21 years young. मेरे बाबा, ख्वाहिश है मेरी कदमों में आपके सारा जहां बिछा दूं. इजाज़त दे मेरा रब तो तारीफ में आपकी सारा आसमां सजा दूं. होकर भी ख़त्म ना हो रिश्ता हमारा मेरे बाबा, एक एक खुशी के लिए आपकी मैं खुद को मिटा दूं. My father name is Mr. Muhammad Umar Rana and he is a sub-inspector in Karachi High Court and he is very nice person. मेरी मामा, ज़िंदगी की राहों में जिसका तस्करा ज़रूरी है, ज़िंदगी की राहों में जिसका तस्करा ज़रूरी है, वो माँ है जिसके बगैर ज़िंदगी अधूरी है. My mother name is Mrs. Muhammad Umar Rana. She is a housewife as well as a very virtuous woman. And I don't have words to explain about my parents, but I just want to say they are everything for me. But it will be enough for now. I live in Shah Faisal Colony Block 2. It was a short intro about me and my parents. Now I would like to share about my brother and sister with all of you. We are 3 siblings. We are 2 sisters and 1 brother. My sister is elder than all, then my brother, and then I. So it means I am younger than all and also pampered. Brother and sister are married. Sister has 2 daughters and brother has 1. And their children are my life and I am life of my mama and bhaijan. Every person has his own likeness and dislikeness. In the same way, I also have some likeness and dislikeness. Now, let's talk about which I like and which I don't. By the way, all colors are good, but 2 of them are my favorite are these 2, black and royal blue. Vegetables are not my favorite, but I like to eat spinach and ladyfinger, and which I dislike the most, these are brinjal, turnip and green gourd. In food, I like Chinese too much. In Pakistani food, I like biryani and koila kadhai. In junk food, I like pizza and golgappe. And in dessert, especially, I like cream cocktail. In fact, I can make all these too. If talk about sports, so I don't like to play sports, but I like to play Ludo Star and Carom. Winter is not my favorite. No, sorry. Winter is my favorite season because in winter, there are not hotness and sweat. That's why I like winter season. In fact, I like to eat ice cream in winter season. I love poetry. So there is no poet which I don't like. And whose poetry I like the most, that is Ghalib. And whose poetry I like the most, that is कितना खौफ होता है शाम के अंधेरों में, कितना खौफ होता है शाम के अंधेरों में, पूछ उन परिंदों से जिनके घर नहीं होते. I also like to listen to songs, be it Bollywood or Lollywood. But my favorite singers are Atif Aslam and Sahir Ali Bagga. Now let's talk about actor or actresses. I don't like any actor in Bollywood, but I like Jennifer Winget in actresses. And all the actor and actresses are very good in their respective roles, but which I like the most, these are Yumna Zaidi, Kubra Khan, Wahaj Ali and Hamza Suhail. By the way, I have many hobbies, but it's winter now, so I like to go to the terrace, take coffee, listen to songs or poetry in my free times. And above all, I love to sleep. And one more thing, I like to be alone. If talk about my nature, so I'm very simple and decent kind of person. I don't like to talk too much. And also I'm taciturn. Let me tell you an interesting thing about myself. I don't want to study what I study. My field was medical, which is no more. I'm bachelor student. I have done matric in science, intermediate in medical, and I'm doing a bachelor in commerce. My future plan was to be a doctor, but coincidentally my elder sister got married early, so I had to give time to the house, and my mother is a patient of diabetes and hypertension, so he couldn't see the house. So I had to change my field. But I didn't know that my brother would get married so soon. If I had known that it would be happened, I would have never changed my field and fulfill my goals. Whether it didn't it didn't happen, and now my goal is to be a fashion designer, and I will definitely fulfill it, whether it's before marriage or after marriage. If talk about my marital status, so I am still unmarried. Now let's talk about English. What is English? It is necessary for all young generation, and it is also necessary for me and also my interest. Necessary for that because my goal is incomplete without it, and like for that because I like those person who speaks fluently, and I just want to speak it fluently. That's why I'm here. It was my short introduction. Hope you all are enjoyed it, and hope you all are not bored. Inshallah, we will meet in next presentation with a new topic. Till then, take care.